Hi guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 14 and let me show you how to remove Google account. At first open the settings, then find and select Google, click on manage your Google account and here click on the account again, click on manage accounts on this device, select this one, tap on more icon and select remove. And if you really want to delete this account with all its data, like messages, contacts and other info from this phone, click on remove account. Now you will have to provide your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you prefer. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.